Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me again. Today I'm going to show you how I winterize my travel trailer. What I like to do is take some pressurized air, use an air compressor, and hook it up to my pipes and blow all of my water out of the pipes. And then I just go ahead and pour in a little bit of antifreeze into the P-traps. I know some people like to draw in a lot of antifreeze throughout their pipes. I don't do that. I just make sure that all the water is out of the pipes, and then it won't freeze and crack the pipes. Now the tools I use to do this are really quite simple. All I really use is a screwdriver, a wrench, and this contraption I used. It's a quarter turn valve, and I hook it up to my air compressor. Now this is pretty easy to set up. All I have is a quick connect into a quarter turn valve that I can release or stop the pressure. I have a nipple here, and then this is just a reducer so I can fit this onto my pipes. Here we are on the ground, and right behind this door is access to the water pump. And that's where I hook up my compressor to blow out all my lines. Once I remove this, you can see all the innards of the sink, and the water pump is back behind there. Now the way this pump works, the water comes in through this hose and out through that hose. And that supplies the rest of the camper its water. What I will do is detach this hose here, attach my compressor, and with low pressure, push out all the water right from here. Now before I push out all the water, I like to turn off this valve right here that supplies water to the hot water heater, because that's already empty. I don't need to push any water out of there. So I will turn this off. Once that's off, I can detach that water hose and hook it up to my air compressor. Now I'll just unscrew this black piece here. This is threaded just like any other hose or water hose to a sink or faucet, and I can attach my air compressor right to here and push out all the water. It's that easy. Now I usually just hand tighten this because we're really not putting all that much pressure in there. So I can screw this on. Now I can attach this end to my quick connect on my air compressor, and I can open and close this valve to release the pressure to push out all the water in all of the pipes in the camper. And there you have it. That is literally all I do. It takes me about 15 to 20 minutes to set it up, and I just blow the lines all out. And of course I'll go back and put some RV antifreeze into the traps, leave all the faucets open, and I'm done. I know that service cost anywhere from $60 to $100 at an RV store, but literally it cost me $5 in antifreeze, and the pieces and parts that I use to hook up to my air compressor probably cost me about $5 to $10 total. Save you a bunch of money. I do it every year. It's easy. Anyways, thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.